Hello and welcome to the Potential Difference Law of Creation of Energy video series. In this video, we're going to be looking at generator armature reaction, or the counter electromagnetic torque that's produced in an electric generator when electric current is flowing through the windings of the generator, and how that is explained by Lenz's law of induction and the work energy principle and the law of creation of energy. So what we have here on our table is a DC generator. And when the generator is operated on no load, you can see that it is extremely easy to rotate the generator. And obviously, when the generator is on no load, there's no current flowing in the windings. And again, it's extremely easy to turn the generator. Now, when the generator is placed on load, and current flows in the windings, it becomes extremely difficult to turn the generator. And what we're going to be looking at in this video is what's going on inside the generator. Why is the generator creating a counter electromagnetic torque? And what does that mean? Well, what's happening with the generator is the generator is performing negative work. And what that means is if I'm rotating the generator at a steady state speed and I want to perform external negative work, I would put my finger on it and reduce the kinetic energy of its rotation. Now, electric generators perform negative work with internally created energy. And the internally created energy performs negative work, and it reduces the kinetic energy of the rotation of the generator's rotor. And so we're going to explain why this is occurring. And I'm just going to move the camera. So basically, the question that we want to answer is, where does the energy come from in order for electric generators to perform negative work? So energy is created at the subatomic quantum electron level in every current-bearing wire. This created energy has been performing all the positive and negative work in every electric generator and every electric motor at infinite efficiency since its original discovery in 1820. And when an electromotive force or voltage is applied to a current-bearing wire, loosely held free electrons are caused to cascade down the wire as electric current. Some of the cascading electrons' kinetic energy in the wire is converted to heat energy via joule heating according to the wire's resistance to current flow, Ohm's law, Watt's power rule, and the law of conservation of energy. When the dissociated electrons, which are unstable, return back to their original lower energy levels into their what's called their valence orbits, they emit photons. And a photon is an elementary particle that is a quantum of the electromagnetic field. It is the force carrier for the electromagnetic force. Photons are massless, and their kinetic energy equals their total energy. So these discharging photons create the electromagnetic field around all current-bearing wires according to the law of creation of energy. This created energy performs all the positive work and all the negative work at infinite efficiency in all electric motors and generators since 1820. So if you ask a physicist why electric generators or EVs, why electric generators in EVs decelerate the EV, what's the exact reasoning, they won't be able to tell you. And the reason is because the energy required to decelerate the EV is energy that's being created at the sub-atomic quantum electron level. And it results in the electromagnetic field energy, and that electromagnetic field energy reduces the kinetic energy of the EV according to Lenz's law of induction, the work energy principle, and the law of creation of energy. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The next video that I'm shooting is the difference between a regular generator that performs negative work with created electromagnetic field energy and the ReGenX generator that performs positive work with created electromagnetic field energy when the creation of that electromagnetic field energy is delayed in the time domain. Cheers.